And do you know that between that June and December, before I got monetized on YouTube partner program, I was making between 400 to 600 US dollars every month on my unmonetized YouTube channel, and that was my only source of income. So how did I do it? I'm going to show you now so that you too can follow the process and the step that I use, and then you too can start making money on your channel even if you're not monetized. If you have between 0 to 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, this video is for you because within the next few minutes, I will show you how to make between $100 to $1,000 or even more on your new or small YouTube channel, even if your YouTube channel is not yet monetized with the YouTube AdSense. Yeah, you heard me right. Now, if you're a small YouTube channel, there is this mistake you could be making. Many of you guys just feel that you cannot make money on YouTube if you're not yet monetized on YouTube. So you are actually looking for your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours every day, and you feel that it is until you have met the YouTube monetization criteria before you can make a dime on YouTube. No, if you're doing that, you are actually mistaken because you don't actually have to wait for the YouTube monetization to make money. And what I'm telling you is what I practice. So it's not just something I researched on online and then to just come and tell you what I researched. You can actually make between 200 to 1,000 US dollars on YouTube with your small YouTube channel. So even if you have 0 YouTube subscribers, 100 YouTube subscribers, 900 YouTube subscribers, or even 2,000 YouTube subscribers, this system that I'm about to show you is going to work for you. So this is not even a video you want to jump around. You want to make sure you watch every second of this video because you will begin to make money right now, even if you are not currently a YouTube partner. So like I said, I'm going to be telling you my real life experience, how I did it and how you too can do it so that you can start making money, as soon as possible on your YouTube channel without being monetized. And even if you are already monetized with YouTube, you can also combine into this method I'm about to share with you and make money both ways. Yes, the option is yours if you want to make a lot of money. So what happened with me? I actually quit my 9 to 5 job, or should I say 8 to 6, because actually I was working from 8 a.m. to 6 a.m. in my former company, working as a marketing officer with that company. And then I decided to quit my job and face YouTube squarely. And as at that time, I think I had just over 1,000 subscribers and I was nowhere near the YouTube 4,000 watch hours so that I can actually subscribe to the YouTube partner program. And guys, believe me, I was not working anywhere else. So what actually happened was that I quit my job around, I think on May 31st, 2023. And between May 21st, 2023 and December that same year, I wasn't monetized. As a matter of fact, I got monetized late December that particular year in 2023. And do you know that between that June and December, before I got monetized on YouTube partner program, I was making between 400 to 600 US dollars every month on my unmonetized YouTube channel, and that was my only source of income. So how did I do it? I'm going to show you now so that you too can follow the process and the steps that I use, and then you too can start making money on your channel even if you're not monetized. So the first thing I did was actually to identify some products or services in my niche. Of course, you know I talk generally about digital marketing. So what I asked myself was that, okay, what are 2 or 3 products or services that I can actually talk about around digital marketing that can fetch me money immediately? So of course, I already have a good knowledge of SEO and of WordPress web design. So I decided to be talking about these 2 services, which is SEO and WordPress. And what did I do? It was simple. I was just teaching people online on how to design their WordPress website and how to do thorough SEO optimization on their blogs and their website so that they can be found on Google when people are searching on organic search. Those are the things I was talking about. But guess what? I just wasn't teaching people. I was always telling them in my videos that if they want anybody to do this for them or to do any aspect of this for them, they can always contact me. And what did I do? I actually opened a custom email and then with my phone number and my WhatsApp number in my video description, and I just told them that if they need me, they can just go ahead and contact me through those contact links. Of course, I didn't stop at that. I also opened an account with Fiverr, and I told them that if they don't want to contact me directly, they can go and order for my service on Fiverr. Alright, but there's another product that I also promoted, but that particular one, I promoted it already after I was monetized on YouTube. So I'm going to talk about it before the end of this video. But I don't want to mix it up with those other ones because those two topics were the ones I was really making money from before I got monetized. So how did I make this work? I made sure that after I had identified those two services that I want to make money from immediately, I made sure that I did about 5 or 6 different videos on those topics, addressing different aspects of those topics. So for example, for SEO service, I was talking about general SEO, I was talking about optimizing your WordPress website, I was talking about keyword research, and all of those aspects of the same SEO topic. I was always telling them that they can actually hire me if they want me to do it for them. Guess what happened? Out of every 1,500, 200, 100, or even 50 persons that view your video, you will always see 1, 2, 3 persons that will come to your DM and actually ask you to do the service for them. Look guys, it's always like that. I'm not saying that everybody that click on your video will come to you and ask you to do it for them. Of course, most of them will do it by themselves, but you will always find 1, 2, 3 persons that will come to you and ask you to do it for them. Look, even if you are able to gather only 50 viewers or 100 viewers, what I have noticed on YouTube is that people that come to YouTube to watch your videos, they just believe that you are an expert at the topic that you're talking about. So when you want to charge them, you're not going to be charging them like you're charging on Fiverr or when you just meet people randomly on social media. You are charging them higher because these guys actually come to you personally to ask for your service, and they believe that you are an expert in that topic or in that subject before you could talk about it on YouTube. Guys, this might look like something ordinary, but I can tell you and I can assure you from my own personal experience that these things work like magic. So what happened was that every now and then I get people that ask me to design their website for them. I ask people that ask me to help them with one aspect of their SEO or another. Sometimes I also combine these two together. I design WordPress website for them, design their blogs, and then I help them to also do SEO for their websites. And for each of these services, I was charging nothing less than at least $200 per customer that come to me, and every week I do get 1 or 2 persons that come to me, and at the end of the day I was making much more than I am even making now offering those services to these people. This is an aspect that many of you really don't think about, but it's actually something that you can do. Now I want to assure you that there's actually no niche where you cannot get a product or service from. You might not know, it might just be hidden, but if you think very well, if you do your research very well, irrespective of your niche or the topic that you are talking about on YouTube, you can actually create a product or a service out of that topic. Now I'm going to be doing something for you guys if you have watched up to this point. If you are in a niche and you don't really know the kind of service that you can offer, then I want you to go to the comment section and just mention the niche that you are on YouTube, and then I will think about it and suggest 1 or 2 or 3 products or service that you can actually offer and make money from almost immediately on your YouTube channel. So go ahead guys, drop it there and I will do my best to answer as many as I can. So remember, for this to work very well for you, now you don't have to only talk about those products or services that you have identified in all your videos. All you need to do is just to create strategically about 5 or 6 videos addressing different aspects of that topic or of that product or service that you're trying to promote. That is all it takes. You can go ahead and create and publish any other videos that you want to create or publish, but make sure that for those services or those products that you want to make money from immediately, you should create between 4 to 6 different videos addressing different aspects of that topic. Now, another question some of you may be asking me is, okay, I can actually create videos and topic around this particular subject, but what if I cannot really offer those subjects, professionally? Then it's also easy. Now, the first way by which you can actually make money, of course, is to offer those products or services directly. And that was one of the reasons why it was very easy for me, because before I actually ventured into YouTube, I was already a website designer and I already have a good knowledge of SEO. So it was easy for me to just use those methods to get customers and work it out for them. But I understand that in your own case, it might not exactly be like that. You may not really be an expert in that topic yet and you don't want to try it out. Then if that is your case, there is still something that you can do. So one of the things you can actually do is to use the drop service methodology to get your money. Now, what is drop servicing? Drop servicing is simply like drop shipping, in the sense that if somebody meets you and asks you to do a job for them and you cannot do that job, all you need to do is to look for another person that can do that job and then offer the person the job so that you can actually get your gain in between. And if you do this very well, you can actually make a lot of money doing drop servicing in case you cannot offer this service alone. As a matter of fact, up till now, I still do drop servicing because I can be very busy at times where I may not be able to handle all the people that come to me, for me to render a service to them. So what I do when I get so busy is just to look for another person who can actually offer this service for a much cheaper amount, and then I can make my own money from there. And I make actually a lot of money using the drop service method. Okay, and then if you're not very good with drop servicing or you want to try another method, of course you can also go with affiliate marketing. So if you know that you cannot offer this product or service and you know that you are not really cool with the drop servicing type, you can also go with affiliate marketing. So all you need to do is just to find affiliate products or services around your topic and then promote those services just like you're doing for this other one, and then you can make your money from affiliate commission. It's that easy, guys. What I want you to do is not just to do a video or two and then begin to complain that it's not working. You really want to go for as much as 4, 5, 6 videos on that topic alone, addressing different aspects of the topic or the subject that you're trying to talk about. Like I said, there is actually no niche that you cannot get those products or services from. It all depends on you. You really have to just sit down and think about it, do a little bit of research, and products will be popping at your face in your niche where you can actually offer this service and make money from. And the good thing about this method is that you can actually use one stone to kill two birds, because you can actually make money both ways. Number one is by offering those services, and then eventually when your channel get monetized, or even if you're already monetized but making very little amount of money, you can make money both using the monetization method and then offer the product or affiliate product method, and then you can make money from both ways. The option is really yours here. So like I said, there is another product that I actually do presently, but I didn't talk about it initially because I obviously am monetized already. But then if you check through my channel, you will see that I talk a lot about CAC registration, but this service is actually only available in Nigeria. So I offer this service purely to Nigeria, so I'm not actually making money from that service in dollars. I'm making it in naira, which is the Nigerian currency. But do you know that within the last 4 to 6 months, I've made over ₦1 million offering this service only to Nigerians, guys. So for those of you guys that are my Nigerian subscribers and you are feeling like there's no money in Nigeria, look, it is because you are not looking very well. So all you need to do is to think about it. The mistake that most people make is that they are only looking at the AdSense monetization alone to make money. You don't have to look at AdSense. As a matter of fact, there are people that are making multiple amounts of money using this method that I've already told you about, even before they start thinking about how much they are making from AdSense. And for small channels that are not even monetized with AdSense, like I told you, you don't need a lot of views to make money from this method. As a matter of fact, you might be getting a very small amount of views, but I can assure you that these views are very quality views, and a couple of them will always come to your DM. And remember that you don't have to make your money from 50, 60, 70 people. Just one person, 2 customers, 3 customers can make you much more than AdSense will make for you in a whole month. So guys, I want you to give this a try and let me know what you're able to come up with. If you have any question for me, go ahead and drop them in the comment box. I'll do my best to answer as many of them that I can answer. So let me know in the comment section if this makes sense to you and if you're going to give it a try, and then see how it goes from there. If you got value from this video, please give it a like, and if you are not subscribed or you first time visitor to this channel and you want to get more amazing videos like this, why not? I want you to hit the subscribe button now. And guys, please, I want you to help me share this video on your social platforms so that more people who are looking for information like this can get to see them. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.